Hi, hello. I'm Dwight. I am a credit professional, and I've just joined partners with Credit Dispute Manager software. And I want to instill upon you how phenomenal that program is. The system, the platform is to die for. As a credit professional, it has everything I need. Everything. And I mean that literally. The training is, everything is right there. Um, I'm overwhelmed a little bit um, to just give this testimonial because it, it, I'm overwhelmed with the resource of support that comes with this software. It's unseen in the industry, and well, with any new software, any new platform system, there's great anxiety once you purchase. And I have to say that what I experienced as far as my anxiety, it just dissipates the minute I log in, because it wasn't a flash, a spam of a system, a platform that sits in front of you that you are overwhelmed in trying to get acclimated to. The minute you log in, you're met with an orientation of the layout, the screen, where everything is. And the next step is that you'll walk through what each section is, what is in the background of each tab on your dashboard. Next step is your training. You know, it's just phenomenal. This is everything from A to Z. It's just unseen in the industry, and there's no catch 22. You get to this point, to this level, and then there's another selling point where you got to come out of your pocket. This is a one-time investment, and an awesome investment. I am so privileged. I am so excited. I can't. I had to give this testimonial. Um, just the training. Like I said, everything is there. I'm obviously overwhelmed because I'm as much as I'm all in with this program, I'm still struggling to find the words to articulate to you how awesome the system is, that makes life so easy for you to operate and do business. There's the training. There's live interactive business training that comes with this. Mark Claiborne is just a phenomenal person. He's offering the training, business training, uh, a bunch of classes, all that you need from A to Z. From A to Z, I mean it literally. You can't get lost. The way that the dashboard is set up, the screen is not cluttered. You can easily navigate and find your way. And like I said, you can't get lost. You can always get to and get from. If you having whatever issue, there's a chat box resource right there on your dashboard screen. I mean, there's like 3 points of resource you can always click on and get access to. Whether it's one-on-one, group training, your chat, any technical issues, it's right there. It's right there. You'll probably see me more because obviously I have a lot to say that I'm struggling to articulate, but this is just a bit. This is just a bit. So, credit dispute manager software is what you want, what you need. It's priceless, and you will absolutely be on your road to success. So join Mark Claiborne and myself in this platform with Credit Dispute Manager software. Thank you.